Hi, somebody asked me how to chant Hooponopono. If your parents are not allowing you to marry the person of your choice, and in Indian setting, this is a very common problem where you got to have the approval of your parents if you want to marry the person you love. Now, this video is very important and I want you to listen very carefully. When you want to marry your love, your person, what is the intention you have? The intention you have is that this person is somebody who will take care of me. I feel secure with this person. I will be loved. I will be taken care of. I feel supported. I feel sense of security, and ultimately this person is going to give me all that happiness in life that I am looking for. So the highest level of intention to marry that person is what? Happiness. That's your belief that this is the highest level and this person is going to give you that level of happiness, and therefore you want to marry him or marry her, right? Now that's one thing. Another thing that I'm going to tell you is something, it might sound very harsh, it might sound very heartbreaking. I still want you to listen and understand first, okay? Now, you believe that your intention is here, your highest level intention is here, okay? And in that, to reach this intention, in between there is this person of yours, okay? So you believe that this person who's here will take you here, okay? Highest intention of happiness, and the person here in between, the person you want to marry, is going to take you here, right? So there are two levels. Let's consider two levels: this person and this ultimate level of intention, which is happiness, okay? Now, you got to decide one of the two things. You can either chant to have the happiness, ultimate happiness, or you can chant to marry this person. You can chant to have this person. Whether this person will be able to take you here or not, there is only 50% possibility, okay? So you are going to be taking a decision on whether you want to chant for the highest level, which is being supported, loved, taken care of and happy, or do you want to have this person? As per the law of averages, the chances that this person will be able to give you that happiness are 50%, and this person will not be able to give you that happiness are also 50%. So while you believe that marrying him or her is going to take you to this level, but by law of averages, there is a 50% possibility of yes, that can happen, 50% possibility of no, that is not necessary, okay? Because I remember a client had come to me and she wanted to marry a particular person, and she chanted like crazy, and finally, her parents agreed and she got married. And after 6 months, they were heading for a divorce, and that's how she came to me, okay? This is not to say that this is going to happen for you, but I am saying the law of averages is 50% yes, it will happen, 50% no, that person may not be able to give you the happiness that you're looking for. So before you start to chant your Hooponopono for your parents' approval to marry this person, take a decision what exactly you want to chant for. The middle level where this person is, or the top level where your happiness is, okay? I'll tell you both. Number one, if you wish to chant for your ultimate happiness, that this is where I want to reach. I want to live a very happy married life where I am taken care of, I am loved, and there is respect in the relationship, there is trust, and life becomes very joyful. Now, if that is the intention, then you're going to be chanting Hooponopono by saying that I don't know, this is the intro part that you say, that I don't know what is that program in me, what is that pattern in me, or what are those blocks in me which are stopping me from reaching this level, okay? in relationship, in finding an intimate partner, I don't know what those blocks are, because you genuinely don't know what your patterns are, right? You don't know what your blocks are. We also don't know. Nobody knows, right? Only our subconscious mind knows. The divine knows that what those blocks are. So what are those blocks in me I'm not aware of that are stopping me from reaching here? Therefore, I am chanting so that those blocks get removed. Those blocks could also be your parents, but you will not say parents. You will not believe that they are parents who are creating that block. It could be anything. So your parents will automatically get included if you are focusing on a larger term, which is blocks. All right. So what is it in me that is stopping me from getting to this happiness, ultimate happiness in terms of my relationship with my partner? Chant Hooponopono. Okay. And after you chant 108 times at least, and then let go, surrender, focus on your work. You will not focus on this ultimate happiness that you're looking for. Second factor, if you're wanting to chant for this person here, because your belief is this person is going to take you here. So if you're going to chant for this person, again, the same thing. I don't know what is the block or the pattern or the program inside me which is stopping our marriage, you and your person, our marriage from taking place. I don't know what is that pattern inside me that is stopping my parents to accept this marriage. Okay, and then you will start to chant Hooponopono again 108 times. Chant, let go, surrender, get going with your day. Third way to chant with regards to your specific person is you will focus on your parents. Okay, so when you chant, you will get your parents into your mind and you will say, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, because I don't know what is that pattern inside me which is stopping you from saying yes to this person. If I have committed some mistake in my past, please forgive me. I did not know. If I have hurt you, please forgive me. I mean, you're not saying this, but in your chanting, this is what you are intending. Okay, that I have no idea. I may have hurt you in the past life. So please forgive me. Thank you for forgiving me. Thank you for dissolving those programs. And I love you for helping me to resolve the situation. You're going to be saying all this with your parents in your mind. Okay? And very importantly, I would still say you got to first take that decision. Are you going to chant for this level, which is happiness, or this level, which is your person? Because there is a possibility that if you're chanting for this level and this person is meant for you, then you will unite. You got it? So you got to take a very clean and clear decision on what is it that you want to chant for the person or for the ultimate happiness. And when you're chanting for ultimate happiness, as I told you, law of averages, this person might unite with you, or you will get somebody better than this person, and ultimately you will be living a happy life. So be careful when you are making a decision of what to chant for. Okay? And second important thing you will keep in mind is that once you have done that chanting, then you got to surrender. When that is going to happen, how that is going to happen, that's something that you will not pay attention to. You will just chant and surrender. Okay? Surrender means you will not keep thinking, you will not be getting tensed about either the person or this ultimate level goal. You will not think about that. Once you've chanted and focused once in the day or maybe twice in the day, let go of that tension, that pressure, those thoughts, and get going with your life. And that is how Hooponopono is going to help you. Though there are other, additional ways that you should be taking care of, but that's something I'm going to be telling you in another video. But for now, this question had come up to me in the message box, and therefore I thought I'll make a video on this. If you have understood this and this is making sense, I know it's tough to digest, just say, this is making sense. say that this is making sense in the comment box. And if you have questions, please do feel free to ask your questions. Also, give it a thumbs up if it is making sense to you. Share it with anybody who you think needs this, and do subscribe and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you. That's it from me to you today, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one soon. Take care. Bye.